Hello, friends. Welcome back to another informative video on business topics. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to create a blog. Here, a question arises. What is a blog? A blog is an online journal or informational website run by an individual, group, or corporation that offers regularly updated content about a topic. To create a blog, you need to choose a blogging platform. Use a platform that offers customizable templates such as Wix, WordPress, Blogger. Find the right niche. There is virtually no limit when it comes to your choice of subject. The most profitable blog niches are health and fitness, personal finance and investing, recipes, and food. Write your first blog post. Engage your audience with a killer title and use headers to make the content skimmable. Start with the keyword search. By targeting certain phrases with your article, you increase the chances of your blog appearing on search results pages for those queries. Outline your main points. Keyword research gives you an idea of the best format for your blog post, as well as which sections to include. Come up with a blog post title. You can come up with your blog titles at any stage of the planning process. Write engaging content. You'll need an introduction, body text broken up by headers and subheaders, and a conclusion. Optimize for SEO. Improving your blog SEO to generating conversions through your article. Edit and publish. Give it a couple reads and share it with family members or friends to review. Publish and let the celebrations begin. Promote your blog. Use marketing strategies to expand your reach. Make money blogging. Take advantage of opportunities to monetize your blog. Hope this video is helpful for you. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get regular updates.